Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to use double speed playback option for Instagram Reels. Let's have a look. First, open Instagram on your smartphone. To watch a reel at double speed playback, you can long press on the right or left edge of the screen during playback. The video will then play at 2x speed until you release. There are no other playback speed options at this time. When you long press on the left edge of the screen, the video will then play at 2x speed. So these are the steps to use double speed playback option for Instagram Reels. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.